Hello, my name is Heath Owens from the Commercial Air Team, here to give you a quick tour of the Friedrich Renaissance F-Series Plus commercial package heat pump. Engineered to make new construction and replacement jobs a breeze, the entire Renaissance line features contractor-friendly installability and service features. Industry common footprints eliminate the need for a curb adapter and allow for quick and easy drop-in replacement with our common connection locations and convertible airflow, saving time and labor on job sites. In this video, I'll highlight the industry-leading innovations designed for these new higher efficiency heat pumps offered in 3 through 10 tons. So let's get started. When we begin, talk about the one-piece top, we have gasketed screws, we have a drip edge, all to protect and manage water so it doesn't get inside the cabinet. We have embossed panels, which identify which panel access we have access to. We have hemmed edges on the panels, which bring rigidity and strength, as well as keep the noise and the vibration down on the cabinet. As we continue the walk around, I want to roll over here to what I consider the front of the cabinet. You have common connections for high voltage coming in the side of the cabinet, as well as low voltage coming in the side. You have an opportunity for a convenience outlet built installed, as well as a factory disconnect that would mount right here in this knockout panel space. In this area, we have our external gauge ports. Notice how we have embossed panels to indicate high pressure and low pressure behind our door. Our external gauge ports are capped with red caps that indicate it is a A2L refrigerant unit. Coming around to the back side of the equipment, you get a good view of our MicroChannel coil. Notice how, unlike our cooling only, our heat pumps are oriented where the microchannels are vertical. That allows the watershed in the defrost mode. And this is really the key to helping us get the higher efficiency. In the return section, we have a Qwik-Change Flex-Fit Rack, which goes from a 2-inch filter to a 4-inch filter to maintenance, which allows you to remove the filter rather easily. And then up in the upper part of the cabinet, we have a differential pressure switch to detect a clogged filter, as well as a thermistor for return air temperature and a wiring harness for our economizer. The pigtail simply unplugs, you plug it into the economizer. In the bottom part of the cabinet, we have a refrigerant detection system that will detect an A2L refrigerant leak that may have to be repositioned when using an economizer in the vertical mode. And here we come to the other end of the cabinet. Probably the most exciting feature of Renaissance product line is the Qwik-Clean Drain Pan. Once you remove the 4 screws, you can simply slide the drain pan out. It doesn't have to come out all the way. You can do a full clean out on it. Most of your obstruction is going to be down on this end anyway. Make sure everything's clean, and you simply slide that back in. So here we are back at the service side of the unit, and I'm going to call out some new technology that we have in this unit. First of all, we have a new direct drive backward curve blower. What this gives us, it gives us improved airflow performance across the breadth of our product range, so we no longer have a low static drive package, a medium static drive package, and a high static drive package. We have all 3 covered with this one direct drive blower. So now if we get on a job site and we can't meet the airflow requirements, TMB, we can simply dial up the airflow. And back in the compressor compartment, I want to continue to call out some new technology. And so first of all, we have a tandem set of compressors here. First, we have a Copeland Ultratech 2-stage compressor, the 2 blue wires going back to the unloading solenoid back there. And then we have a Copeland single-stage compressor, which in combination, we have a 3-stage system. This gives us enhanced turn down capability and gives us better comfort and control. So we have your reversing valve mounted up front. You have your Sporlan filter dryer for quick, easy access right there. And all the tubing has strain and modal analysis to make sure that we have the reliability for years of service. On the back of the control panel, we have a large format wiring diagram and component identifier, as well as an HMI menu tree, all of which help the contractor for diagnostics and troubleshooting. So lastly, in the control box, we have a well laid out control panel with plenty of panel space. I want to start over on the left-hand side. We have a Siemens economizer controller here, an etched panel down below with all of your thermostat low voltage wiring connections, as well as your RDS portal output. We have color-coded and numbered wires for the technician to trace and troubleshoot wiring issues. Continued etching for component placement, so you know where everything's at. And we have a DIN rail mounted unitary rooftop controller. This is kind of the prize and the heartbeat of the unit. This controls not only the compressor circuit and the algorithms for that and for the enhanced efficiency and comfort. This control also gives us multiple communication protocols. So you have BACnet IP, BACnet MS, as well as Modbus. Lastly, what I would tell you is this control gives the technician a higher level of troubleshooting, diagnostics, and reliability. And so for the end customer, this adds up to more value to them, more value to our contractors. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Friedrich Renaissance F-Series Plus commercial package heat pump, which combines industry-leading installability and serviceability features with high-efficiency heat pump performance. An exciting addition to the Renaissance line that builds on our established legacy of reliable products engineered for life.
Contact your local independent Friedrich commercial distributor or dealer for more information.